Bang ding ko na ha hu pra. Bang ding ba na ha hu pra. You know what? Why I am singing this song? Why I love this song so much? I'm not a Khasi, I'm not a Dakar, I'm from different country. I belong to Tibet, which is the neighbor of China country. Is a neighbor of China country. I belong to different country, but still, why I love this song? Because the meaning of this song I really love. Why? It gave me a deep thought. The meaning of this song. My friend, this is my friend which I met in Shillong in Meghalaya. He teach me the meaning of this song, Prah. What is the meaning of Prah? He always sing. I asked to him. So he tell me, you know what's the meaning of Prah? When you clean a rice, you just take out the stone, you take out the grass, everything dust from the rice, and you wash it in water. Then you can eat. If you don't clean rice, you cannot eat because stone will come inside the teeth. It will give us pain. If you eat a grass, it will stuck in our throat. It will like give a pain. So it will be difficult to eat a rice without cleaning. So Prah means like clean rice. It's a clean rice. So VPP, voice of people. Like it's like that. There's a party. So that party is saying a clean rice. Just like if you clean a rice, we can eat. So it's just like that. Just clean the corruption from Meghalaya. It's like that. That's why I really love the meaning of this song. Kong ding ko na ha hu pra. Bang ding ba na ha hu pra. I really love this party, VPP. I will really support from my heart. If I am a Meghalaya person, if I have a certificate of Meghalaya, I would really vote from my heart for VPP. Kong ding ko na ha hu pra. I really love this. Thank you.